Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw tips and tricks. Somebody asked a pretty good question. These are almost touching. How do you figure out how to get them to either touch or almost touch when you rotate them? So first, let's draw the shape. We're going to draw a square. I'm not going to hold down the control button, and I'm going to use the scallop, and I'm going to make that shape. Now, take whatever size circle you want. Take a 2-point line and hit P, and let's rotate it 5 degrees. And then let's Control D and mirror it. So we have a 10-degree rotation there. Now, the distance between these 2 points is what you need to make your size. So if we go from right there to right there, we're at 2.19. So then you could make your object 2.19. And I would suggest hitting P to put it in the center of the page. Shift select the circle and hit T to put it to the top so you don't have to move it so far. And if you will grab it kind of on that line and hold down the control button, you can get it to almost be right on that line. Then you could take these away. And let's take this and make it blue and take away the outline. And then we could Control D, alternate C, and rotate it 10 degrees. And then you could make it a little bit bigger if you wanted them touching, but they're actually a little bit over touching. And that's probably good enough. And then just Control D, alternate C, rotate it 20 degrees. Of course, this would be a good example to use the transformation docker and make it a lot easier. That's how I would do it. There's probably a lot of different ways. I'm going to Control G to group that, Control D to duplicate it, and I'm going to bring it in like right there. Now, if you Control D, they won't really, sometimes, at least not on the second one, those are pretty touching. What I would suggest is if you wanted them all that way, Control G, Control D, holding down the Shift key so they'll grow and just kind of do it manually. See, if we do it again, they get smaller. So you could take the holding down the Shift key and you'd want to zoom in and make sure they're more perfect. And you can see kind of like the egg shape. So we'll hold down the Shift key and bring them down a little bit. Pretty good question. Anyway, I hope that answered their question, and thank you for watching.